So you may ask, why are there all these steps before this meeting or getting on a phone call? Well, let me be very clear with you. We have tried this several times. This is in your best interest that you do this form and you fill this questionnaire and you do the onboarding steps. This will help us figure out, not only for us, but also for you to see if it's worth investing your time with us. Perhaps we are not the best solution for you and for your situation. So when you do the form, when you fill the forms and you think about the questionnaire that we have, you'll have a lot of clarity in your life and you'll exactly know which things that you want to solve. So what's next? Well, the document will walk you through the next steps, the form, the questionnaire, and the next steps. The document will also have a list of different questions and different strategies and different advices and tips based on the situations that we have been dealing with. The document will also have a lot of self-study resources that you can read or watch. This will give you a lot of insight into your own situation and will also give stories from other people as well. Finally, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to ease our affairs and to make Quran the most beloved speech, the peace of our heart, the happiness of our heart, and a means for removing our sorrows, anxieties, and pain. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.